Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I've been asked to do a customer testimonial video, and with my egregious sense of humor, there's a limited number of options. But luckily, Frank and Dion here somehow seem to appreciate it. So they're here with this fabulous, absolutely stunning beautiful 2024 Sportage X Pro Prestige in the best color, the Dawning Red. And this is car number
2 for us from Russ Darrow Kia, and we absolutely love this place. Jonathan is amazing, and we absolutely love our brand new Kia. We bought our first Kia a few years ago, and we are back because we have had top-notch service from start to finish from Russ Darrow. So we recommend it to anyone looking to buy a new car, and we recommend Jonathan to be your guy.
really kind words. I don't know if I deserve them.
You do.
Yes, you do.
Come and find out. Call us 608-275-7700. Anything you need, or stop by. Open 6 days a week and always happy to help.